You may have never known this, but facial fat contributes drastically to your attractiveness. Losing or gaining facial fat can make you appear completely different. Even if you are a genetically attractive person, your facial definition gets hidden under layers of fat, making you look average. You might potentially be a good-looking man, but you've always believed that you are average due to your facial fat. You can see how big of a difference face fat makes. It makes your look childish. My advice to every man who says he is average is to lose face fat, and then only come to the conclusion. You never know what lies under those chubby cheeks. Fat isn't attractive or healthy in any way, so get to work and start your fat loss journey today. And I know how stubborn facial fat can be, but I'll share my personal tips that help me drastically to lose that fat. You cannot expect to lose it overnight, but keep it consistent, and you'll see results in the next few days. Note that you cannot reduce fat only for a particular area, and you'll need to target the entire body fat for a slim face. Number 1, and also the most important factor, is to lose as much calories as you can in a day. Find a physical activity that you enjoy and also helps you burn calories. It can either be jogging, boxing, or playing sports. Just anything that makes you sweat. But you should keep in mind that if you are skinny fat, the best way to lose fat would be through bodybuilding. Running or boxing would make you even more skinnier by burning the fat, and you'll end up looking like a toothpick. If you choose to hit the gym, you'll get muscular, and even end up losing the fat, so it's a double win. Number 2, diet. Diet is one of the most important factors to losing or gaining fat. If you want to lose weight and become slimmer, you'll need to consume less than you burn in a day. It is known as a calorie deficit diet. If you eat more than you burn, you'll end up gaining more weight, and this type of diets are known as a calorie surplus diets. Now listen, if you urgently want to lose face fat, you need to follow the calorie deficit diet, but this comes with a disadvantage. As I mentioned before, burning more than you eat makes you slimmer, so if you're already skinny, you'll end up losing weight and appear skinnier physically. If you would like to do it the correct way, then get onto a calorie surplus diet where you eat more than you burn while constantly hitting the gym. After 6 months, you will have gotten bigger physically, and that's the time to switch up to the calorie deficit diet. So when you lose fat, you'll be left with a muscular body and a slim face. Note that this can take some time, but if you already have a pretty decently big body, get to eating a deficit diet and burn that fat right away. Number 3, facial exercises. There is an argument online that facial exercise doesn't help in losing face fat, but it is undeniable that working out your face makes your skin tighter and improves blood flow. And I'm speaking from personal experience that if you follow the previous 2 steps while practicing this one, it will surely help. Just spare around 10 minutes of your day to try it out. Number 4, chew hard food. Chewing hard food enlarges your masseter muscles, making your face wider and spreading out your fat. A wide face also looks masculine. Follow these 4 steps, and I'll guarantee you'll start to see minor results in the next few days. I hope this guide was helpful. Please consider subscribing.